Hi, I'm Adriana in Techland. We talk a lot on this channel about software, the AI models, and the 24/7 background agents, but today we need to talk about the physical baseline, the actual hardware chips that power it all. There is massive breaking news out of Shanghai. Huawei just announced a semiconductor breakthrough. It's called logic folding. They claim it paves the path to 1.4 nanometer chips by 2031, and it changes the global hardware supply chain forever. To understand why this is a massive deal, we have to look at how chips are traditionally made. For decades, the West shrank transistors horizontally, flattening them onto a single silicon plane. This requires EUV lithography machines from ASML. Because of trade sanctions, Huawei was cut off from these machines. The West assumed China's chip progress would freeze, but never underestimate the pull of determined engineers. Instead of shrinking transistors on a flat plane, Huawei went vertical. Logic folding structurally stacks components on top of each other. Think of moving from a sprawling one-story suburban house to a highly efficient vertical skyscraper. They bypassed the flat limits of traditional physics entirely. This vertical architecture isn't just a workaround, it changes the entire economic model of computing. We see this vertical stacking happening in memory tech already. But scaling AI infrastructure requires two things: compute power and actual electrical power. Right now, Western data centers are hitting a massive bottleneck. Our electrical grids are struggling to supply enough energy. Huawei's strategy couples advanced chip design with massive green energy infrastructure. They're connecting abundant clean power in northern regions directly to core computing centers via advanced data pipelines. They're designing the entire stack from energy to transistor. As a tech consultant, there is a clear historical lesson here. When you enforce a strict trade blockade on a major player, you don't stop their innovation. You merely force them to build an independent ecosystem. Industry leaders like NVIDIA's Jensen Huang warned us that cutting markets off will trigger total self reliance. The market enclosure has backfired. It accelerated a completely decentralized semiconductor stack that is scaling rapidly outside of Western control. True computing resilience isn't about hoarding legacy tech, it's about architectural innovation. What are your thoughts on vertical logic folding? Will stacking completely replace horizontal scaling? Let's discuss it in the comments below. If you want to keep your enterprise infrastructure resilient during these global hardware shifts, reach out to my team at Miadria. What we mostly do is help companies use the big hyperscalers infrastructure like Google and Microsoft so that you really don't have to worry about the underlying hardware. And that is the main point of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to stay anchored in Techland, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.